Ultraroof is a lightweight tiled roof system designed to replace a conservatory roof or create a new vaulted ceiling extension. Fully fire tested, Ultraroof is both easy and fast to fit and can be watertight within 6 hours, saving time on site. The insulated box beam can span up to 4 meters unsupported, saving you money on expensive steels. Lightweight ultra panels clip together to form a super strong I-beam structure throughout, insulating the roof. The OSB deck protects the roof from the elements and provides a deck on which to lay the tiles. The tiled starter strip creates an authentic stacked slate look and makes the tiles easy to fit too. The tiles are finished at the hips and ridge with Ultraroof's unique slimline aluminium cappings. Large full-length glass panels make it easy to maximise natural light inside the room below. Ultraframe's unique postcode engineering ensures that each roof is structurally sound to handle the strongest possible wind or snow loads at the exact installation location. Ultraroof uses advanced and modern engineering to create an unrivaled tiled roof solution, combining quality, style and performance.